For those of you who like to do hand grinding, Gail from Seattle Coffee Gear, and I'm going to show you this is the new kit on the block on our webpage. It's the Rhinowares hand grinder. And stainless steel casing, the beans go, this comes off, the handle comes off. Come on. I couldn't get it to stay on earlier. Beans go in there, about 42 grams it holds. Down here are the ceramic burr, conical burr grind, burr sets. Let me show you what they look like. And this is where you make your adjustment as well for fineness. And this goes everything from very coarse down to espresso. Now we played with it, and the espresso on this is at the very bottom. You really have to have those two burrs together. That's the bottom burr. You really have to have it all, the stars lined up to get it really coarse. So, just so you know, put it back together. And this is spring, there's a spring down in there, spring loaded. I'm going to take it down to the finest setting like we did earlier, and I'm going to show you what it'll do. So this shaft that we're screwing here is the other end of this. So if you want to hold it like that with that handle so that you can really get a good grasp on it. That's about as fine as she goes. Okay, this catches the ground coffee. Comes in this box like this, and it also comes with a travel bag so that you can take it to in the car somewhere, the office, or if you just want to do it at home. Now, this is where I spill beans all over the countertop. And everybody's out there laughing at me. That's why I do these videos, just for you guys. I found this handle to be quite nice. It's a little bit longer than some on hand grinders, and this knob out here is real nice too. So the length of the handle makes a bigger lever, a little bit easier. I like to hold it against me. Guy behind the camera's laughing at me right now. Yeah, here, you try it. All right. This is at the finest. Very consistent. It is still got some granules to it. It may not work for every espresso machine, but it might work just fine for yours, especially if you have a pressurized basket. So that's the Rhino grinder, hand grinder, ceramic burr set, stainless steel casing, nice rubber grip, long handle, nice lever. Check it out. Leave some comments down below, and, you know, keep watching our videos. Thanks.